Oh yeah, that should be good.
Oh, fuck yeah, bud.
Yeah, she's in there.
Yeah. One of these, and one of these.
I did the fun part while you were gone, and I connected the...
Oh, you missed it.
I missed it.
I missed it.
Look at that. That's just a nice...
Yeah. Well, I'll get you some more self-tappers, and you can decide if you want to put them in or not.
What? Like, if I want to take this out, quick release. Without the other one in there, if I put a self-tapper in there, though, I'll hit that access.
I mean, it's like a, what is it, an 8mm? You just undo it and then
Yes.
undo one of them if you ever need to service it.
Yeah. I just don't like drilling into the body of the car.
Oh well,
I want to put his
too late.
Alright, that's done. This is what she's looking like. Pretty clean, if I do say so myself. And then there's a little bit of slack there. Nice! What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the shop. I just came back and went on a little road trip to pick up this. This turned out awesome, I think. Went with white. I originally planned on red, like a cherry red or like a candy apple red, but I thought that with the hardwood in the back, red wouldn't really sit well. Kind of looks strange on this like dark brown hardwood look. So I just went and kept it simple. And the white matches the car a little bit, so I think that will look really clean. So what we're gonna do today, I'm gonna install all the plugs, all the fittings into this tank, and then what we're gonna do is take the hardwood out of the hatch, and I'm going to sound deaden the bottom of the hardwood with what I have left. I have a whole nother box of the sound deadening mat, so I'm gonna do that. The reason I'm doing that is because this piece here actually lays on top of the pump, so I'm trying to cancel as much noise as possible underneath this hardwood. So adding another layer of sound deadening on the other side of the hardwood I think might help a little bit, but who knows, I guess we'll find out. Then once that's done, we can mount our tank onto the hardwood itself. I'll put it in, mock it up where I want it, pinpoint the holes where I'm going to drill, take that board out, and bolt down the tank with all the fittings. Then it's just really a matter of running this water trap between the tank and the manifold, I believe, and then also running the drain tube to the outside of the car. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and this is the last step of this air build, guys. Everything else is done. I'm super stoked. I might actually get to calibrate the system tonight. All the brakes are done. Kendra was a big help. Shout out to Kendra. Helped me with my rear brakes. We cursed and sweared at these things for a long time trying to figure out how to get the caliper back on properly, but it's done. All new pads and rotors. You guys saw all the wiring's done, all the struts are in. Also these quick latches. Got these powder coated white to blend in with the bumper a little bit. Here's one here I installed just to look at it. Looks pretty clean. I think it blends in a lot better than the silver. So that's just the little things, the little details that make modding a car fun. It's just the little tiny things that you really notice. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna start installing my fittings onto my tank, because I have to work crow piss early tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna try to get as much of this done as I can. We're gonna throw some stock wheels on the car to calibrate it, because my wheels, the fitment's not gonna work, but we'll get into that after. So let's get this tank ready. Okay, so I got the tank with all the fittings on it. Got the drain, then the 2 plugs on the end, and then the line for the water trap, and then the line. This is a 3/8 line or a 3/8 push to connect for the compressor, which is temporary until I can get to the store that opens on Monday to get the proper fitting for that. But we're gonna run that anyway. But that's done. The tank is done. Now I just got to soundproof the bottom of the boards like I said earlier, and then we can start installing everything into the hatch. Okay, here's the first one we did. Rolled it out with the old stock Mazdaspeed strut, this end here. And now we're gonna do this one, and then we'll mount the tank. All right, there's number 2, second side. Now I think we can put them in the hatch, and I do want to hinge them together with this, but I don't know to do this now or after, but we'll figure it out. All right, so to mount this tank, do you see those lines?
Fuck no. Oh yeah, kinda.
Kinda. Anyways, that's where the tank is gonna sit so that I know outside the car. So place this back down. Line it up. Doesn't have to be perfect, really. I don't really care that much. So I'm gonna use this Loctite just because it's like something that's easily seen on the hardwood. I'm just gonna put it on my finger and dab it through the hole, just so I know where to drill at once I pull the tank off. I know there's easier ways to do this, but that's all I have, so. Boom. That's where our holes are. Easy peasy. Drill through that, find some bolts with some nuts on them, and we'll be able to mount this, no problem. Look at these 4 nuts. Look at them. Just look at them nuts.
You're gonna love the nuts.
You're gonna love their nuts. No going back. You're gonna love our nuts. That's one. 2. Now, if this doesn't work, I'm not putting this in the video. All right, here's the tank. We've got, it's hard to show this, but it won't focus because I'm using my phone. Nuts, or the bolts are mounted in there. Kendra's cutting away at the sound deadening so that we can get the nuts on. And then we just have enough thread to get them to clamp down nice and tight. So once we get this done, then we just got to drill the holes for the air tubes, and that's about it. One on this side, one on that side, and then one for the drain plug probably right in the middle. And that's about it for the tank side of things. Then it's really just like plumbing everything together, plumbing the compressor in, fitting the water trap, and that will be it.